I
Is this,
don't know
am
what he
I
wants,
headed down that road when I forget
but
something? Do you
he
have this
keeps
book?
knocking
Oh
at the
yeah.
door.
I think you reach a certain age where you look for any little pebble in your shoe. To go, what is that?
He,
What was that?
I'm
Is this
pretty sure he wants in.
pass me the
What do you want? You,
and then you go.
no, you can't.
But
No,
hopefully not.
no.
But
I'm sorry.
we're all on alert because
You,
it's a terrible
I
thing
hear
that's
you knocking.
affecting more and more people
You
every
can't
day.
come in.
In fact, dementia has touched both of their families, including Tiffany's grandmother.
Now,
Sometimes
he's
you
been doing
like,
this
get away from me. I don't know you.
all
And
morning,
I'm like, you don't gotta know me for me to love you. You know, like,
and I'm like,
it's hard. It's
I
hard
don't
to
know.
see her slowly deteriorating, and over these
Where'd he
years,
go?
it's been not easy.
You know, birds is funny.
And speaking
So he's not going away. He's not stopping, and he don't seem to care much about anything but trying to get in here and eat my brain. He's a brain-eating bird, and he wants my brain, and I'm frightened for my brain because I don't want to have it eaten by the bird. Oh, 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 go! You go away, you crazy bird! Try and eat my. Oh, oh, oh! It's a Hitchcock movie. No, no. Oh, oh, oh! I'm telling you, it's been going on for an hour, and it's not the first day. He's been here before. He's been trying to eat my brain for a while now. So I got to go get a gun, kill this bird. The situation has become desperate. We're running out of food and water. Afraid to go anywhere. For the bird has taken over the asylum. Oh yes, things are not looking good for the inhabitants. It's going to be a struggle, and I just want you to know that Beth, that I love you, and if it all ends in a horrible way, I want you to know that we'll always have Paris, but this could be the end. Oh!